Copyblocks.ai review and demo. Times have changed and a lot of businesses are really struggling to move online. The pandemic changed a whole lot of things, and today, those changes are still trying to take effect. Nowadays, freelancers, content creators, and agencies have become the order of the day, and those who are into these are bagging thousands of dollars from clients that have discovered their relevance. The big winners here are the copywriters. As far as online marketing is concerned, copywriting is the most important, as it is needed in website design, video creation, social media ad creation, blogging, and so many more. But unfortunately, these freelancers with their out-of-date templates and unimaginable prices end up with copies that might end up unsatisfactory and unable to convert. No one wants to be in this situation. This is why I bring you this software that can help you solve this problem, even if you have zero skill in writing. I present to you, Copyblocks. Copyblocks.ai is the first ever real artificial intelligence copywriting software. It is a futuristic self-writing artificial intelligence app that builds and runs a professional copywriting business completely hands-free. With Copyblocks, you can create and sell copy for sales pages, social ads, websites, blogs, and company profiles. Why Copyblocks is better than every other copywriting software. 100% original content each time you click on Generate. Brings your copy to life using the feature to benefits converter engine. Artificial intelligence generates copy in over 120 languages in just a few clicks. And so much more. Help your subscribers write and sell high-converting copies to local businesses in any niche, in just 3 steps. Step 1. Enter product name and description. Step 2. Select the type of copy and tone. Step 3. Artificial intelligence generates 100% original copyblocks. What is the pricing for Copyblocks? Front end is $47, one time, or bundle for $247. Upsell 1. Unlimited is $97 for 1 year. Upsell 2. Pro is $67. Upsell 3. Agency is $47. Upsell 4. Digital Marketing Agency Success Package is $67. Upsell 5. White Label is 10 and 50 accounts for $347. If you want to create content for businesses, be it as an agency or for personal use, then you need to hurry now and get this software. With Copyblocks, you can create persuasively and highly converting copies in just a couple of minutes, without any writing skill or experience. Copyblocks is a great solution and I highly recommend it. Without any doubt, I can give it a 5-star review. Anything outside that will be bias. Click the link in the description below for access and check out a quick demo video to see how it works.
Welcome to Copyblocks. In this demo, I will show you a new and revolutionary AI technology previously only available to tech stars like Elon Musk and big corporations like Apple. Now you too can use this same technology in your business or use it to create a powerful passive income by starting a 6-figure copywriting agency, even if you have zero experience, technical, or writing skills. Let's say you have a client who needs copy to sell accounting services to small businesses. Using Copyblocks, you can now create copy and content for this client and get paid in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter product name and description. Step 2. Select the type of copy and tone. Step 3. AI writes 100% original copy. The AI will use this information to write all the copy and content you need in less than 60 seconds. Unlike other tools in the market, Copyblocks uses real artificial intelligence and not outdated fill-in-the-blank templates. The AI can turn a simple input like this into intelligent copy blocks like this. This AI is smart, it's intelligent, it's experienced, it's fast, and with it, there is no need to hire expensive and time-wasting copywriters and freelancers. Copyblocks gives you total control over your copy. You can set the tone of your copy and even translate it in over 100 languages in just 1 click. Here's what you can generate in just a few seconds using Copyblocks. General ad copy. Facebook primary text, Facebook headlines, Facebook link descriptions, Google headlines, Google descriptions, website headline, website subheadline, product description, product pitch, blog post ideas, blog post titles articles, blog listicles titles, blog post intros and outline, turn bullet points to blog, turn bullet point to paragraph, sales copy based on proven copywriting formulas like pass, pain, agitate, solution, pain, gain, claim, ADA, attention, interest, desire, action, feature to benefit, before after bridge, feature advantage benefit, and quest sales copies, and even value proposition, company motto, company mission, company bio, personal bio, and so much more. Built-in advanced frameworks like ADA and PAS ensure that your copies always resonate with the audience, as they are based on proven techniques of customer behavior and persuasion. A content improver to rewrite your previous copies for better conversions. Copyblocks is going to help your clients write high-converting ads, sales pages, blogs, and other such content that is crucial for the survival and growth of their business. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns Copyblocks into a money-making machine for your clients, because they can now sell copywriting services across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated for them.